Top 7 Bedtime Habits to Lower Creatinine and Protect Your Kidneys. Are you watching your creatinine numbers climb higher each month? Wondering what else you can do beyond just changing your diet? You are not alone in this struggle. Most kidney patients focus only on what they eat and drink during the day, but they miss something crucial. Your kidneys do their most important repair work during the 8-hour window while you sleep. This is when your body filters waste, balances fluids, and fixes damaged kidney cells. Yet creatinine levels keep rising despite all your diet changes and daytime efforts. Here is the real problem. Your nighttime routine can make or break your kidney health. Poor evening habits like eating late, drinking the wrong fluids, or sleeping in positions that reduce blood flow can silently damage your kidneys. Many health experts now understand that bedtime habits are just as important as daytime care for kidney patients. Your kidneys never truly rest, but they do shift into repair mode during sleep. I will show you 7 bedtime habits that work with your kidney's natural repair cycle to help lower creatinine levels. These are simple changes that support better kidney function overnight, help your body's natural detox process, and give you tools you can start using tonight. Stay until the end because habit number 7 might surprise you. It is something 90% of kidney patients do wrong every single night, and fixing it could change your morning lab results. Those bedtime habits we just covered are a great start. But there is one timing issue that most people get completely wrong. Strategic evening hydration might sound simple, but the timing makes all the difference for your kidney health. How many of you drink water right before bed and then wonder why you wake up feeling worse? Here is what happens when you get hydration timing wrong. You wake up with higher creatinine readings because your kidneys struggled all night. When you become dehydrated during sleep, your kidneys have to work much harder with way less efficiency. Your blood gets thicker, waste products build up, and your kidney function drops overnight. Many people managing chronic kidney disease make this mistake without knowing it damages their kidneys. The real problem is timing. Most people either stop drinking water too early in the evening or drink too much right before bed. Both approaches hurt your kidneys. Stop too early and you go to bed already dehydrated. Drink too late and you disrupt sleep with bathroom trips while forcing your kidneys to process fluids when they should be resting. Here is the fix. Drink 16 to 20 ounces of plain water 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. This gives your body time to use the water for kidney filtration while avoiding late-night bathroom trips. Stop all fluids 1 hour before sleep. Choose plain water only because other drinks like juice, soda, or even herbal tea do not help the kidneys the same way. Plain water is what your kidneys need for proper waste removal. The benefits are real. Your kidneys can filter waste better overnight. There is less strain on your filtering system, and you wake up with better hydration balance. But here is the crazy part about timing. Habit number 2 shows you when to take your medications for maximum kidney protection. Getting your hydration timing right is just the first step. But there is another timing mistake that could be sabotaging your kidney protection right now. Bedtime medication timing can make the difference between waking up with stable numbers or seeing your kidney function decline. Most adults with kidney disease take their blood pressure medications in the morning. But what if I told you this timing could be working against you? Here is the hidden problem. Your blood pressure spikes during sleep hours when you take ACE inhibitors or ARBs in the morning. These medications wear off overnight, leaving your kidneys unprotected during the most critical repair hours. Higher nighttime pressure damages the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys while you sleep. This damage adds up over months and years, making your kidney disease worse even when your daytime numbers look good. The root cause is simple timing. Taking ACE inhibitors in the morning misses the overnight protection window completely. Your kidneys need the most protection during sleep when blood pressure naturally rises and kidney repair happens. Morning dosing leaves a dangerous gap in coverage during these crucial hours. Here is what works better. Move your ACE inhibitors or ARBs to bedtime, but only with your doctor's approval first. Take them 30 to 60 minutes before sleep so they kick in right when you need protection most. Use a medication timer for consistency because timing matters for kidney health. This simple switch can provide better overnight blood pressure control and more kidney protection during sleep. The medication works with your body's natural rhythm instead of fighting against it. You get better overnight blood pressure control, more kidney protection during sleep, and support for your body's natural repair cycle. Now get this. Your sleep position actually affects how well your kidneys work overnight, and most people get this completely wrong too. Moving your medications to bedtime is a smart start, but there is another nighttime factor affecting your kidneys that most people never consider. Kidney-friendly sleep position sounds odd, but how you lie down for 8 hours straight impacts blood flow to your kidneys more than you think. Many individuals with kidney issues wake up with morning stiffness and poor circulation without realizing their sleep position is part of the problem. Here's what happens with the wrong sleep positions. You wake up with morning stiffness and poor kidney circulation because certain positions cut off blood flow to your kidneys overnight. Sleeping on your stomach puts pressure on your organs and reduces blood flow to both kidneys. Always sleeping on the same side creates pressure points that limit circulation to one kidney more than the other. Your kidneys need steady blood flow during sleep to filter waste and repair damage, but wrong positions work against this natural process. The root cause is simple. Sleeping on your stomach or always on the same side creates pressure points that reduce kidney blood flow for hours at a time. This happens every single night if you do not change positions, slowly affecting your kidney function over time. Here's a better approach. Start on your back with a pillow supporting your knees to keep your spine straight and reduce pressure on your organs. If you naturally move during sleep, switch to your left side rather than your right. Use a body pillow between your knees for proper spine alignment when side sleeping. These positions keep blood flowing freely to both kidneys throughout the night. You get better blood flow to both kidneys, less morning stiffness, and improved overnight circulation. Your kidneys can do their repair work without fighting against reduced blood flow. Here's where it gets interesting. The temperature of your bedroom can make or break your kidney recovery in ways you would never expect. Getting your sleep position right helps blood flow. But there is another bedroom factor that puts serious stress on your kidneys every single night. Optimal sleep temperature might seem unimportant, but your bedroom heat levels directly affect how hard your kidneys have to work while you sleep. Many patients with kidney concerns struggle with night sweats and restless sleep without knowing that their room temperature is making their kidney problems worse. Here is what happens when your bedroom is too warm. You get night sweats and restless sleep because heat stress forces your kidneys to work much harder. Regulating your body temperature. Your kidneys help regulate body temperature by controlling blood flow and maintaining fluid balance. When your bedroom is hot, your kidneys must work harder to cool you down, rather than focusing on filtering waste and repairing damage. This extra work during sleep hours puts strain on already struggling kidney function. Most people keep their bedrooms too hot without realizing this forces their kidneys to multitask when they should be resting and repairing. Here is what works better. Set your bedroom temperature to 65 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal kidney health. Use fans or cooling mattress toppers if you cannot control the room temperature. Take a lukewarm shower 1 to 2 hours before bed to lower your core body temperature naturally. Cool sleeping conditions let your kidneys focus on their main job instead of temperature control. You get less metabolic stress on your kidneys, deeper and more restorative sleep, and better temperature regulation overnight. Your kidneys can spend energy on healing instead of cooling. Wait until you hear this. When you eat dinner is just as important as what you eat for your kidney recovery. Keeping your bedroom cool helps your kidneys focus on repair, but there is a timing mistake with food that undoes all your good work. Strategic dinner timing is not just about what you eat, but when you eat it for optimal kidney health. Many people with kidney problems eat dinner too late without knowing that this forces their kidneys to work when they should be resting and healing. Here is what happens when you eat too close to bedtime. You wake up with higher waste levels in your blood because late eating forces your kidneys to process food when they should be resting. Your kidneys must work hard to filter the waste products from protein breakdown, and this process peaks 2 to 3 hours after eating. When you eat late, your kidneys are processing food waste during sleep hours instead of focusing on repair and recovery. This disrupts the natural kidney repair cycle that happens overnight. The root cause is eating within 3 hours of bedtime. This timing disrupts your kidney repair cycle because your kidneys cannot shift into recovery mode while they are busy processing dinner. Your kidneys need a break from food processing to focus on cellular repair and waste removal from your body. Here is a better approach. Finish dinner 3 to 4 hours before bedtime to give your kidneys time to process the meal before sleep. Limit evening protein to 3 to 4 ounce portions because protein creates the most waste for your kidneys to filter. Choose low phosphorus options like egg whites or skinless chicken for your evening kidney-friendly meals. These foods are easier for your kidneys to process. You get proper repair time for your kidneys, better overnight waste processing, and more stable morning lab numbers. Your kidneys can focus on healing instead of working overtime. But here is something wild. There is a natural supplement that protects your kidneys while you sleep, and most doctors never mention it. Timing your dinner right gives your kidneys a break, but there is still one major problem keeping your kidneys from proper overnight repair. Melatonin for kidney protection is not just about better sleep. This natural hormone directly shields your kidney cells from damage while you rest. Many adults with sleep disorders struggle with poor sleep quality and ongoing kidney inflammation without knowing their melatonin levels are too low to protect their kidneys. Here's what happens when melatonin levels drop. You get poor sleep quality and ongoing kidney inflammation because your body cannot produce enough of this protective hormone. Without quality sleep, your kidneys cannot complete their repair processes that happen during deep sleep stages. Kidney patients often have disrupted melatonin production, which means less antioxidant protection for kidney cells and more inflammation damage overnight. Your kidneys need melatonin to fight off the free radicals that damage kidney tissue during normal filtering work. The root cause is disrupted melatonin production in kidney patients. Your body makes less melatonin as kidney function declines, creating a cycle where poor sleep leads to more kidney damage. Without enough melatonin, your kidney cells cannot protect themselves from oxidative stress during overnight repair. Here is what works. Take 3 milligrams of melatonin 30 to 60 minutes before bed to restore protective levels in your body. Choose the immediate release formula because it works faster for sleep and kidney protection. Start with 1 milligram if you are sensitive to supplements. Then work up to 3 milligrams over time. This gives your kidneys the antioxidant protection they need during sleep. You get better sleep quality, natural antioxidant protection for kidney cells, and reduced kidney inflammation overnight. Your kidneys can repair damage instead of fighting inflammation all night. Ready for this? The final habit is something you are probably doing wrong right now, and it is sabotaging all your other efforts. Taking melatonin helps protect your kidneys during sleep. But there is one final habit that most people get completely wrong every single night. 12-hour overnight fasting is not just about weight loss. It gives your kidneys the break they desperately need to focus on repair instead of constant food processing. Many adults with diabetes eat late-night snacks or have irregular eating patterns without knowing this prevents their kidneys from entering proper recovery mode. Here's what happens when you keep eating late into the night. Your kidneys never get a break from processing food because they must constantly filter waste products from whatever you eat. Constant food processing prevents cellular repair and cleanup that should happen during sleep hours. Your kidneys need time to shift from active filtering mode to repair mode, but late-night eating keeps them working when they should be healing. This continuous workload wears down kidney function over time. The root cause is eating too close to bedtime or late-night snacking. Even small snacks force your kidneys to process protein waste and other byproducts when they should be focusing on cellular repair. Your kidneys cannot do both jobs well at the same time. Here is the solution. Stop eating 12 to 14 hours before breakfast to give your kidneys proper recovery time. If dinner ends at 7 p.m., do not eat anything until 7 to 8 a.m. the next morning. Water is fine during the fasting window because it does not create waste for your kidneys to process. This overnight fast lets your kidneys switch from processing mode to repair mode. Your kidneys shift into repair mode, get better cellular cleanup overnight, and support their natural recovery cycle. They can focus energy on healing damaged cells instead of constant waste processing. This gives your kidneys the break they need to focus on healing instead of constant work, and that is how you support kidney health while you sleep. That 12-hour overnight fasting gives your kidneys the recovery time they need, but now you have all 7 habits and might feel overwhelmed about where to start. These 7 bedtime habits work together to support your kidney's natural overnight repair cycle, but you do not need to do everything at once. Many individuals managing kidney conditions try to change too much too fast and end up changing nothing at all. Here is how to make this work. Start with 2 to 3 habits this week, then add more as they become routine. Pick the ones that seem easiest for you first. Maybe start with strategic dinner timing and optimal sleep temperature, since those require the least effort. Once those feel natural, add melatonin or work on your sleep position. Building habits slowly makes them stick better than trying everything at once. Always check with your doctor before changing medication timing or adding supplements like melatonin. Your doctor knows your specific kidney function and other medications, so get approval before making changes. This is especially important for kidney health because timing and interactions matter. Which habit will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you understand how to protect your kidneys during sleep, hit that like button and subscribe for more kidney health tips. Check out this video next for kidney-friendly breakfast ideas that work with these bedtime habits. Remember, your kidneys work 24/7, so every hour counts for your health. These simple changes during your 8 hours of sleep can make a real difference in your kidney function and creatinine levels over time.